So a few things that they have changed here on the Adventure of the Seas past COVID are that you'll see that all of the deck chairs are spaced out, and they have asked us not to move the deck chairs from their configurations. So the deck chairs are in 2s and 3s all around the deck, and of course, since everyone is vaccinated on this cruise, then there's no masks required. And everybody really feels like this is going to be a normal cruise. Hey, YouTube! Hello! On this particular cruise, the pool deck area is open and everyone is enjoying the hot tubs, and the kids are enjoying the kids areas. It really feels like a private cruise though, because there are so few passengers right now because of COVID restrictions.
Today is your chance to go ice skating. We're going to start offering sessions at 11 o'clock. And this afternoon, we will have a master review to learn the incidents and answers from feedback with the production show invitation to dance. If you watched it yesterday, why not? Come and watch it again. 2 p.m. at the European. Again, whatever you do, please smile and enjoy your day.
Oh, hey again! So as I was saying, because of the COVID capacity restrictions, there are fewer people on this ship than normal. So this feels like almost like a VIP cruise. Normally the pools and the hot tubs would be full and you would have to jostle for positions and try to find a seat, but now everything is open and it's very easy to find lounge chairs. Really, this is the best time to go cruising now that it's so easy to get to all the venues. And we're up here at the Sky Bar. This is the Sky Bar. Hey YouTube! The Sky Bar! Alex says it's the highest bar in the high seas. That's awesome. Thank you, Alex. Of course, now they have social distancing spots where you can stand at the bar, and then there are also signs spaced out to make sure that everybody does social distance. A few other changes like QR code menu options allow you to see all of the menus on your mobile devices. And that's actually been very helpful. Now heading down to deck 11. There are some sectioned off areas here that are reserved for concierge and Pinnacle guests. And they are over here.
Real pressure.
As we continue down here to deck 10, the band is setting up. We're going to have some great music here on deck 10. And we also have the pool bar. Again with social distancing. Hey pool bar staff! Hello! Best bartenders on the ship, yeah? Hey! Continuing on down the middle, the Adventure of the Seas has two large pools in the middle that have like a graduated area that you can sit on. There are definitely some of the ships that don't have this, so I'm really liking the fact that there are some shallow areas where you can just sit and sip and have a drink before getting completely into the pool. And that is on both sides of the ship. There are hot tubs on either side. 4 hot tubs down here on this level. And then you have the kids area. One of the nice things here about this ship is that because it's a little bit smaller, you should be able to hang out at the pool and watch your kids at the same time. Raise the roof! Say hey YouTube! Hey! On the pool deck, not much has changed since COVID. Continuing along the pool deck, we're going to head over to the Arctic zone where you get your ice cream. One of the favorite things about Royal Caribbean ships is that you can get ice cream almost any time during the day. Normally there would be a long line getting ice cream, but since there are not very many people here, not too much line for ice cream. Can we get a cone of ice cream, please?
Hello.
Hello. Hey, YouTube.
We'll be over back, and I'll be very happy to serve you ice cream.
Oh, thank you so much. All right, now we are going to head over here. We've got the 5-Star Dive Center, which is currently closed. And we are going to head over into the Solarium. The Solarium is for guests 16 years and older. Hey, YouTube! Hey. The Solarium has some fantastic large hot tubs and its own swimming pool. I really do like the Solarium on Adventure of the Seas. There's 2 large hot tubs, plenty of seating, an adults-only pool that still has the areas to sit while sitting around the pool, so you don't have to hang on the sides. And it's sheltered from most of the wind. Get just enough breeze. There is a Solarium bar, which is currently not open at the moment, but there's plenty of places that you can go get drinks that are very close. Here's another look at the Solarium hot tub. I was in this on the first day, definitely going to get back in today. The water was absolutely perfect temperature, not too hot, not too cold. And there's plenty of seating out here beside the windows as well. You just like being on my camera, I see how it is. I'm gonna follow you around. At the forward side of the Solarium is a spot that I found which is really cool. And if you head over this direction, this is a little hidden gem of Adventure of the Seas. You can walk along this balcony towards the front of the ship, and in just a minute you'll see what I'm talking about. Not only do you have a spectacular view of the ocean and the front of the ship, but there's also this covered area just in front of the Vitality Spa where you can step down and look at the bridge. And if you peek in here, you should be able to see the bridge. So there's some really awesome information here about the bridge, and you can read about it. It talks about the layout of the bridge, how things are laid out here. This is something that most of the cruise ships don't have. And you actually have to pay for bridge tours, but here on the Adventure of the Seas, you're able to come and observe the bridge without having to pay for an excursion, and you're able to come and just check out the captain. Hey YouTube! Thank you! And check out what they're doing and how the ship is being run. Also from here you can see the helipad on the very front of the ship.